I'm Liz. Welcome back to the Grillslingers bar. And today, boy oh boy, do I have a drink for you. It's spicy, it's smoky. I call it a spicy MEZCAL Margarita. If you don't know what MEZCAL is, it's basically a smokier cousin of tequila. I'm a huge tequila fan, but MEZCAL is a game changer. It's got that smoky flavor and it pairs perfectly with barbecue. For spice, today we're gonna do jalapenos because I'm a big baby and I can't handle spice. But if you really like spice, I suggest using serrano peppers. Let's jump right in and make this spicy boy. Weird. Anyways, let's just get right to it. Do you want me to just start over real quick one more time? Anyways, let's do this. Let's do it. Anyways, let's just jump right in and make this bad boy.
Anyway.
So first, we're gonna start with 2 ounces of our MEZCAL. Yep. Okay. Then we are going to use a 1/2 ounce of our triple sec. And then we're gonna take 3/4 ounces of our jalapeno simple syrup, which the recipe for this will be in the description below. So good. Then we're going to take 4 dashes of our orange bitters. Perfect. We're going to do 2 ounces of lime juice. You're gonna use 2 ounces of lime juice. It could be about roughly 2 limes. Then we are going to add 3 slices of jalapeno. If you want it a little spicier, you can add more. If you want it less spicy, you can do 1 or 2 and just don't put the seeds in there. Add a little bit of ice. And we're gonna shake. Gosh, I'm ridiculous. Okay, so now we are going to strain it into our glass. Before we put the drink in there, we're gonna rim it with chili lime salt rim. If you don't want it spicy, I would just do regular salt. Add a little bit of ice and strain it in. So good. All right, so now I like to garnish it with a jalapeno and an orange piece, just like that. So good. Okay. Perfect. So this is our spicy MEZCAL Margarita. Now we get to try it. Oh my gosh. That is so good. It looked like I got a little spicy there. The MEZCAL just makes it so amazing. I almost never want to use tequila again. No, that's not right, because I love tequila. Got that smoky flavor in there from the MEZCAL, but then the citrus kind of ties everything together. It's honestly one of my favorite margaritas. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, guys. If you like this recipe, try it at home. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos. Until next time, cheers.